Cut patterns are a fundamental aspect of carbide burr design, directly influencing how these tools perform across different materials and tasks. The way flutes are arranged and shaped on a burr not only determines the speed and efficiency of material removal, but also affects the smoothness of the final finish. Understanding the main types of cut patterns, single cut, double cut, aluminum cut, and diamond cut, can help you select the right tool for your specific application, ensuring optimal results and prolonging the life of both the burr and your workpiece. Single-cut carbide burrs feature a single set of spiral flutes that run in one direction along the tool's surface. This straightforward design is especially effective for heavy material removal. When used on hard metals such as steel or iron, single-cut burrs aggressively remove material, making them ideal for shaping, deburring, and smoothing rough surfaces. The single flute pattern creates long chips, which are ejected efficiently from the cut, minimizing the risk of clogging. This cut pattern also tends to leave a smoother finish on harder metals, making it a preferred choice in industries like automotive or metal fabrication, where both speed and surface quality are important. Double-cut carbide burrs, on the other hand, have two sets of flutes that intersect, forming a cross-hatched pattern. This design allows for faster cutting action and improves chip removal, reducing the likelihood of the tool becoming jammed with debris. Double-cut burrs produce smaller chips compared to single-cut burrs, which makes them easier to control and less likely to gouge the workpiece. This versatility makes double-cut burrs suitable for a wide range of materials, including both metals and plastics. They are commonly used for general-purpose applications such as deburring, shaping, and finishing, especially when a balanced combination of speed, control, and surface finish is required. For softer, non-ferrous materials like aluminum, brass, or copper, the aluminum cut pattern is specifically engineered to overcome the challenges posed by these metals. Aluminum tends to clog up standard burrs due to its tendency to form sticky chips. To counteract this, aluminum cut burrs feature wider, deeper flutes that provide ample space for large chips to escape. This prevents the burr from loading up and maintains a high rate of material removal. As a result, aluminum cut burrs are the go-to option for machinists and fabricators working with soft metals, ensuring smooth, uninterrupted cutting and a clean finish. The diamond cut pattern stands apart for its precision and fine finishing capabilities. With a dense, cross-hatched arrangement of tiny flutes, diamond cut burrs are designed to deliver extremely fine and controlled material removal. This pattern excels in tasks that demand a high level of detail, such as jewelry making, dental work, or intricate mold shaping. The diamond cut produces a very smooth surface finish, minimizing the need for additional polishing or sanding. Its fine cutting action also allows for delicate work on brittle materials, reducing the risk of chipping or cracking. Each of these cut patterns brings unique advantages to carbide burrs, making them suitable for different tasks and materials. By selecting the right pattern, whether it's the aggressive single cut for rapid removal, the versatile double cut for balanced performance, the specialized aluminum cut for soft metals, or the ultra-precise diamond cut for detailed work, you can maximize productivity and achieve the desired finish every time. Understanding these differences is key to making informed decisions in metalworking, manufacturing, and craftsmanship, ensuring that every job is completed efficiently and to the highest standard.